大家好，欢迎来我的频道，我是Jaimie。今天我们会分享我们的老公和朋友，他们一起会试吃5个台湾小吃。这个小吃是5的味道。
I think you guys already know me, the husband.
And I'm Adam, friend of the husband.
我们开始吧。
Ooh.
You're right
Alright.
about being messy.
Yeah, it's
You
very crispy.
You guys can go ahead and taste that.
Okay. Has a very crispy texture. You can definitely taste the taro in it because it has like some sweetness to it.
Never had taro before, but it tastes kind of dry.
You know, this kind of reminds me of like those cereal bars, like a Rice Krispie treat or like the Cap'n Crunch bar. Kind of into this. I like it.
I like the mix.
I would give it an 8.
Give it about a 7, just because it's unique.
Mm-hmm. So I hope to expect a creamy flavor.
And you know, we just like ate dinner, so.
Yeah, this
And
is
a
our
dessert.
and dessert and more dessert. Are you ready?
Cheers. More like a snack.
It reminds me of just a normal wafer that you would get from the store. You can get like, there's different flavors like chocolate, vanilla, wafers, and this kind of reminds me of that. Maybe if I take another bite, I might see if I can taste that taro flavor.
Yeah, because I'm not tasting the taro flavor, honestly.
Oh, you see, if you look at it, it's kind of hard to see up close, but there's not a lot of it.
Yeah, it's like super small.
Yeah, very, very small.
That's why we don't taste it as much. I mean, I like the wafer taste of it.
Yeah, the texture's right. Like, this is like an ordinary wafer. I just think I wish there was more filling to it. I would give this a 4.
Yeah, I'd give it about a pretty good 4.
And that's how we look.
Good one, Adam.
I tried. I'm here all week. Not really, but it's fine.
These are bowls?
Yes.
So they're rice rolls?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this is a rice roll. It has the number 99 on it. I hope that means it's 99% delicious. Let's go.
Nice.
Cheers. From the look of it, it looks like a cookie. Ready?
Yep. Oh. It's so dry.
This reminds me kind of a, like the vanilla wafers that you put in like banana pudding, like those circle ones. Is there a filling inside?
Yeah, it
it's
says
supposed to
right.
be taro in there.
It looks like it is in the middle right here, but you can barely see it.
I don't taste it.
I don't taste it either.
I think it's
you
very,
can like
it's
see.
very sweet.
I don't know if you guys can see that, but
It's very sweet. I love the texture, and I like the sweetness. I think the sweetness is balanced. I just think that the flavor of what it's supposed to be is absent. But I would like this reminds me of like those vanilla wafers, like the vanilla cookies that you would put on like banana pudding. I would give this.
Honestly, I would give it like maybe 5.
Yeah, I was thinking about the same thing.
Well, high 5 to that.
Let's roll with the mochi.
Let's hope it's not as dry as like the last 3.
Oh.
Wow, they are tiny.
This was not what I envisioned them being, but...
Yeah, because when they mean rolls, I thought that Adam.
Cheers. Ooh, I like the smell of it. Honestly, I just love mochi, so like, the texture is great.
Oh man, that's gross.
Oh really?
You don't like it?
Oh. It's like mochi ice cream, but without like the ice cream part.
But if you guys look inside, the cream is kind of absent.
But there's not much there. It's just I'm disappointed. Like it's not bad flavor at all. Just
I think the texture's right. Like this is mochi. Like this is what it's supposed to be.
right.
I don't really know much about the flavor of it.
The flavor just not there. I give it, honestly.
I would give it a 4. Yum. Let's give it a try.
Man, I just wish I could taste like moisture with them, but they just don't so far.
Okay. Cheers.
Bam.
Open it up.
These are so tiny.
Oh, we got a little crumble going on. Here, I'm gonna be polite and clean this wonderful table. Okay.
Who's there?
It's a harder texture.
Mine's actually a little bit soft.
Yours is softer?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, yours is a little bit softer than mine.
Thanks for touching my food.
Welcome. Hey, we're brothers. It's fine. No one has COVID here. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3.
Man, what's up with these snacks being so dry?
This is delicious. You can see the filling. Okay, it's really hard to see, but you guys can see there's filling inside, and it's balanced. So you know the ratio to cake to filling. I think there can be always a little bit more filling. However, I think it's balanced correctly. Sorry, I'm still making a mess on the table. But I want to take another bite.
Honestly, just the looks of it, it looks like a fake Newton.
Yeah,
That's what it looks like anyway.
it does.
But the flavor is there.
I taste the flavor of it. There is a little bit of an aftertaste that's it coats your mouth. It's kind of hard to get it through, but I love the flavor of it. Like I can eat the whole thing.
It's just still dry. I just don't like it when like a snack is dry. But it does have better flavor than the others.
Mm-hmm.
Like you can definitely taste the taro.
Mm-hmm. It's very chewy. You can tell I'm just chewing it through.
You know, I'm like making sure I chew it properly.
Mm-hmm. Cutting my mouth, so I'm trying to.
But I give it about an 8.
Yep, I give it 8.
Definitely recommend it.
Mm-hmm.
我们结束了，我们希望你们喜欢这部影片。 谢谢你们收看我们的影片。如果你们喜欢影片，请分享、开小铃铛和按赞。爱你们，拜拜。
You mean like the rolls that I have?
Well,
No, yours is a 1-pack, Adam.
no, I'm doing 6 months. Oh my gosh, this is on camera. Don't worry. I don't want to.
Oh my god.
I'm so sorry.
I look this
I don't want. Oh my god. I can't. I don't want to tell you. I don't want to tell you what it looks like. I'm so sorry. It kind of does. Let's try it, please. I'm sorry. So, okay.
You know, I'm probably gonna put these as a blooper at the end.
You probably. Oh my
Probably
god.
will.
I don't want to tell you what it looks like.
Just
Okay,
taste it. You will be surprised.
So this is the mochi roll, yeah?
Mochi roll.
It definitely looks like a mochi ice cream.
Oh my god. Alright.
Just bear with.